Do you know that you can break a world record with the help of a piece of paper only? You are watching Brain Explorers, the world where brain starts working. Suppose you have a piece of paper and you have to half fold it. How many times you can do it? 5 times, 6 times or more. After 7 or 8 half folds, it will become very difficult for you to fold it more. The guys over at Mythbusters took a paper roughly the size of a football field and they folded the paper 11 times with the help of a roller and a forklift. They explained that 12th fold would have produced a semicircle and not an actual fold. On 27 January 2002, a high school student, Brittany Gallivan of Pomona, California, USA, was able to fold an extremely long piece of toilet paper in half 12 times. The tissue paper used was 1295 meter long. She gave a relation between thickness of paper, length of paper, and number of folds. When a paper is folded, a little semicircle is formed. And as the number of folds increases, the number of semicircles along with their layers also increases. Here in this figure, 3 folds are done and you can see many layers of semicircles are formed. This middle section here is not as necessary as these semicircles because this much of paper is necessary to fold it 3 times. So in this first part, the one layer is having length of pi t. In the second part, these two layers are having the length of pi t and 2 pi t, and then the 4 layer semicircles need a paper of length pi t plus 2 pi t plus 3 pi t plus 4 pi t. For n half folds, the length of paper should be greater than L is equal to pi t times 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on. And after some calculations, we get L is equal to pi t over 6 times 2 to the power n plus 4 times 2 to the power n minus 1. Similarly, if we have a piece of paper whose length and width are in ratio of 2:1, then its width must be pi t times 2 to the power 3 times n minus 1 over 2. Later, students at St. Mark's School, together with their teacher James Stanton, tried to fold an even longer piece of toilet paper a total of 13 times to break the previous record, but they failed. So you can try to half fold it 13 times and break the previous world record. But when you fold a paper, its thickness becomes double, and after 2 folds, its thickness becomes 4 times. If the paper is having the length of 0.001 centimeters, then after one fold the thickness will become 0.002 centimeters, and after 3 folds thickness will become 0.004 centimeter. After 10 approximately equal to 1 centimeters, and if we ignore the length and width and focus on height only, then after 17 folds the thickness will be approximately equal to the height of a person. After 23 half folds, the thickness is comparable to the height of a Statue of Liberty. After 24 half folds, the thickness is approximately equal to Statue of Unity. After 25 folds, it is comparable to Eiffel Tower. After 27 folds, its thickness is more than Burj Khalifa, and after 30 half folds, it exceeds the height of Mount Everest. After 45 half folds, it becomes approximately equal to the distance between the Earth and the Moon. And this was what a paper can do. Don't forget to like and share our video, and for more such videos, subscribe to our channel Brain Explorers. Thanks for watching.